Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering everything. 1 lb pork belly, 1/2 cup soy sauce, 1/2 cup mirin, 1/4 cup sugar, 4 cloves garlic, 2-inch piece ginger, 2 green onions, 2 cups water, and 2 tablespoons sake optional. Trim the skin to 1/4 inch and roll the belly tightly into a log, then tie it with kitchen twine in 4 evenly spaced loops to hold shape. Pat the meat dry, season lightly with salt, and sear the roll in a hot pan on all sides for color before braising. Place the seared pork in a pot and pour in 1/2 cup soy sauce, 1/2 cup mirin, 1/4 cup sugar, 2 cups water, and 2 tablespoons sake if using. Add garlic, ginger, and green onions. Bring to a gentle simmer so the surface barely moves, not a rolling boil, and maintain that low simmer for 1 hour, turning the roll every 15 minutes so the braise penetrates evenly. For hands-off cooking, cover and transfer to an oven set to 275 degrees F for the same 1 hour, checking liquid level. After braising, cool the pork in its braising liquid to room temperature, then refrigerate, submerged, for at least 2 hours so it firms up and absorbs flavor. To serve, remove the twine, lift the roll from the liquid, and slice into 3.5 to 5 mm thin rounds across the grain for tender, ribboned meat that melts in your mouth. Reheat slices briefly in warmed broth before plating. Store leftover chashu, submerged in the braising liquid in the fridge, up to 4 days, or freeze for longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.